It's a 2016 Lexus NX200T. This is the crossover for any urban adventure, thanks to a turbocharged engine, aggressive exterior design, and an interior built around you. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, electronic shift on the fly, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, doors and push button start proximity key, manual tilting steering column, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend writes, "Our big takeaway is that the NX200T feels plenty powerful. Luxury awaits in every Lexus." They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.